Hi, hello, good morning. This is an unboxing video of 12-volt cordless drilling machine that I purchased from Amazon. Let's unbox. The box is not out of good quality, it is kind of recycled quality. Oh god, what you found is a broken adapter and only one battery is found, and this doesn't look like a original Cheston. The quality isn't that good. Let's see if it works. This is a disappointing unboxing video. Oh god, this. This isn't powerful. However, I received only one battery and the adapter is broken, so it's kind of a mess. Hi, hello, and this is going to be the torque test of the cordless drilling machine which I purchased, and both are purchased from Chennai, from local market, and I find the one in the right red is more powerful than the one in the left orange. Both cost me around 1600 rupees, and but the quality differs from each other. Both runs with the same 12-volt lithium batteries. Both has same features, level 1 and level 2 speed, and same 18 Nm of torque. But I find one in the right, which is made by Jon, is more powerful. So this is going to be the power testing video. Both are fully charged. Both are in level 1. This is going to be the torque test video of both these cordless drilling machine. Okay, both are made in India. Both are set to level 1. Both are with same identical batteries, fully charged. Let's check its capacity. Okay, so these drilling machines have load safety, so if it reaches the maximum load, the trigger automatically gets stopped. So you can very well see the red drilling machine is having more torque than the one in the left, orange. So let me show you the testing results. So upon certain speed, it's not able to take the pressure. The same goes with the orange. So let's press on the same time and check which one wins. Let's see which direction this spins. The one in the red spins clockwise, one in the right, one in the left, orange, spins anti-clockwise. I think I need to take a slow motion video. Let's see.